Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona,
Next up for
southeastern
lead guitar.
San Bernardino County in southern California until 6:30 p.m. EDT or 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:46 p.m. EDT or 5:46 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Havasu City, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind EDT or 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:46 p.m. in Duluth and Trace. Locations impacted include Lake Havasu City, Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Topog, Barker Dam, Needles, 3 Dunes Campground, Desert Hills, Black Meadow Landing Campground, Cattail Cove State Park, Arizona Village, Essex, Vidal Junction, Big River and Mojave Valley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arizona between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 139 and 155. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. PDT for the following counties: San Bernardino, California.
Citizen.